Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is Wings India 2022. Ministry of Civil Aviation, that is MOCA, and FICCI are organizing Wings India 2022. The event will be held from March 24 to 27, 2022 at Begumpet Airport, Hyderabad. It will be formally inaugurated on March 25 by the Minister of Civil Aviation, Shri Jyotiraditya Scindia. Its theme is India at the rate 75 New Horizon for Aviation Industry. It is believed to be Asia's biggest event in the field of civil aviation. The event will focus on topics such as new business acquisitions, investments, policy making, and regional connectivity. The event is also expected to give impetus to the Make in India initiative. Wings India 2022 will provide a one-stop platform for buyers, sellers, investors, and other stakeholders in the aviation sector. The Ministry of Civil Aviation will also announce the new edition of Wings India Awards 2022 on the occasion. Wings India Awards will be given to companies, institutions, or organizations related to aviation for outstanding work in the field of civil aviation in India. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.